Hello, breaking news. Onyeze Jesus, Akwa and Eke Heat arrive at Federal High Court, Oka, over alleged Okite rituals. It don't say, so that is the D-Day. The trial has started. In a high-profile case, Onyeze Jesus, Akwa and Eke Heat have arrived at Federal High Court in Oka, Anambra State, where they are facing charges related to alleged involvement in Okite rituals. Charges carry the possibility of up to 20 years in prison if they are convicted. And the courtroom is set to witness intense proceedings as accused individuals face serious allegations that have caught the attention of many in the state. Stay with us for more updates as the trial progresses. Yesterday in the news, we saw something to their detention, a call for justice. Welcome to today's show, where we'll be discussing the detention of over 40 native doctors in Anambra State. The civil liberties organizations are concerned in this matter. Why are they still being detained? Normally, the person has to be charged between a day or two at least. Why are they still in detention? Let's start with the background of the story. The native doctors were arrested after the signing of Anambra State Homeland Security Law on allegation of preparing protective charms for criminals and engaging in money rituals. But according to Inter-Society, there are claims that the individuals are merely traditional worshippers and their detention is clear case of intolerance for other religion. Is that really the case? Now, according to Emeka Umeagbalase, chairman Inter-Society, the traditional worshippers are being held in Anambra have no case to answer. Their continued detention is a clear violation of their human rights and freedom of religion. It's worth noting that the detention of these native doctors has exceeded the constitutionally provided or prescribed 24 to 24 hours of maximum of 60 days. So they're calling on Governor Soludo to release this individual immediately. Now, according to Governor Soludo's representative, they said, we understand the concern raised by Inter-Society, but we must ensure the rule of law is upheld. We're investigating the allegations against these native doctors, and we will take appropriate action based on our findings. The other issue raised is the Fulani herdsmen activities in Southeast. And Inter-Society also talked about that. It's calling on the governors of Ebonyi, Enugu, Anambra, and Imo State, and Abia to take action against these herdsmen. According to Emeka Umeagbalase, the activities of Fulani herdsmen in Southeast are a major concern. They are urging the governors to take decisive actions to protect the lives and properties of their citizens. As we conclude on today's show, it's clear the detention of the native doctors in Anambra State is a complex issue that requires urgent attention. We hope that the Anambra State government will take the necessary steps to address this issue and ensure that justice is served. Meanwhile, another rights group, the Human Rights, Liberty Access and Peace Defenders Foundation, HURIDE, has also called on Governor Soludo to grant amnesty to 3 native doctors detained in the state. I'm wondering what sort of amnesty are they talking about? What sort of amnesty? Is it to pardon them? And we heard some time ago that based on their phones that were looked into, that there are some messages in the phones that shows something has gone wrong. Let me give you an instance. For example, if you realize through the phone of a native doctor that such native doctor is inspiring criminals, robbers to rob, kind of promising them or giving them charms that will enhance their robbery. Now, let's assume some will say these charms do not work. Some will say the charms work. Now, whether these charms work or not, what matters here is you have given somebody the courage. You're like a culprit. You are giving somebody the courage to rob. You are giving somebody you are telling somebody, go. You have a cover. Whether the charms work or not. So I think the government is taking their time to investigate. Meanwhile, I pray it will be hastened up. Perhaps all of these pressures on the government is why they are being tried today. We'll later bring to you the outcome of the proceedings today. Stay tuned. Make sure you share this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.
Yes, country people, today is a special day where Anambra state government will arraign popular native doctors in the state, Akwa, Okuko, Onyeze Jesus, and the hit. As we see from what happened, we are already in court, and the people where government were arraigned today are already headed to the court. People will love them, friends and well-wishers, are already in the court. Yes, we don't go inside courtroom where security men they lead the suspect to the courtroom. This one they come live from Anambra State High Court here in Akwa. Yes. The suspect don't enter inside courtroom for the business of the day. We get many security. As we say, the suspects are already inside courtroom, waiting for the business of the day. Friends and well-wishers, loved ones are already here, waiting to hear what today's event will be like. This one they happen for inside the Anambra High Court. Many persons who know inside courtroom are by the corridor trying to catch sight of what's happening.